In this class, you will study about creating table styles applied to different types of drawings. Bill of materials is a very common use for tables and show the quantities and manufacturing materials. So let's start the class. Access the Table Style command on the Annotate tab in the Tables option to create table styles. After enabling this command, you will see this dialog box. You can see the default existing tables in AutoCAD here. On the right side of this dialog box, you will see some buttons for defining the default table style, or you can also change or create a new one here. There is even a command for deleting an existing style from the list. Whenever you wish to use a different table style, we recommend creating a new style instead of modifying an existing one. To do this, let's click the New button. This way, you keep the default styles by creating new styles and keep the default as references. After you click the New button, a new dialog box is displayed. Here you input a name for the new table style being created. The next step is to click Continue for defining table settings. Now let's start defining the settings for a new table style. Specify the table direction in the Table Direction option, so the body of the table will be placed above or below the title. In the Cell Styles option, you can define the outline and text styles and other options as well. On the General tab, you can define the color, alignment, format, and cell data type settings, and also the text direction. Then, on the Text tab, you define the text style, size, color, and display angle. And last, on the Borders tab, you define the border style applied to the table. You can specify the applied line weight type and also the color and the way the lines will be inserted in the table. These settings are valid for cells used for titles, headers, and existing data in the table. After inputting the definitions for a new style, click OK to confirm the settings for the new table style. You can now see the new style is listed in Styles in the Table Style dialog box. Then you attribute the new style. Select the style in the same dialog box and click Set Current. Or else in the Tables Group Annotate tab and select the desired style from the List of Options box. So in this class you have studied how to define new table style settings so they meet the needs of the specific design job.